So I've got a 21 Nissan Rogue. It sits outside and it's in direct sun for about half the day. We had a big rainstorm the other night. I came out the next day, I opened the hatch, and a whole bunch of water came out of the interior panel. It was inside here. And this little rubber grommet around your windshield wiper is what needs to be replaced. It just wears out over time and exposure to the elements. And the water runs down in here and fills up your panel. Just Google your model, year, and make with rear wiper grommet, and you'll find the part number that you need. This is for the 21 Nissan Rogue. It's going to depend on your year. It's going to depend on if it's the Nissan or the Mitsubishi, etc., etc. Luckily, it's very easy to replace. Flex this cover right here. Pop it off. Takes a 13 mil socket, zip it off. And then work off the rear wiper. It's on splines, it slides straight back. Now mine was really stuck on, so I just used pliers to gently squeeze like this, and it just broke the seal. Be very careful not to touch your glass and never lever against the glass. And then just lift the wiper off. Slide the old grommet off. It's a cone-shaped seal that goes around the window pane. So you're not gonna be able to pull it off with your fingers. Just carefully use a pair of needle nose to grab onto it and pull it straight back and off, just like that. Now I can't help but wonder if the failures of these are caused by that motor and shaft not being perfectly centered with the hole. Installation is easier. You simply push it down into place and the cone there will help it pop around. And you just make sure it's fully seated. One of these little plastic spudgers will help get into the tight spots if your fingers can't do it. And once you get it all on there, just peek underneath all the way around and make sure that that inner seal is actually fully sealed and looking good, because that's what's actually keeping the water out. Now we can just slide back on our wiper arm, tighten down our nut, put our cover on, and that's it. This was a $400 quoted dealer job. This part was $21 to my door. I'll put the link down below. But again, search for your particular part number, because that's going to change year to year and model to model. That's it. See you next time.